10 foods that make you taller. Genetics plays a huge factor in our final height, but there are things you can do to reach your tallest potential. Few people realize that certain types of foods can make you grow taller, and these foods include those that boost human growth hormone, HGH levels, and are rich in calcium, vitamin D, and magnesium. The importance of each or many of these growth-boosting foods cannot be overemphasized, so it would help if you watched until the end of this video to see how each food contributes to your potential growth. Some of the benefits are backed by scientific studies or published clinical reviews. Before we continue, please like the video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified when I upload the next video. Here are some of the best foods you can eat if you want to increase your height. 1. Eggs. According to clinical trial results published by Clinical Endocrinology in 1993, melatonin isn't just a hormone that improves sleep quality, but also stimulates the growth hormone secretion. Eggs are among the best foods you can eat for high concentrations of melatonin. 2. Nuts. In a study published by the Journal of Food Science in 2019, nuts were cited as one of the best non-animal sources of melatonin. So snacking on foods like walnuts, peanuts, and almonds will help you boost growth hormones as you sleep. Over time, this will cause you to grow taller. 3. Milk. For over half a century, tryptophan has been recognized as an amino acid essential to human growth. A study published by the Japanese Pediatric Society in 1961 showed that tryptophan supplementation improves the growth rate of children. Among the best sources of this amino acid is animal milk. 4. Tuna. Tuna is also an excellent source of tryptophan. Canned tuna might be your best option for protein as you make an effort to grow taller. Apart from improving your height, eating tuna will also improve your sleep patterns and improve your mood. 5. Tofu. Tofu is an excellent source of calcium, which is an essential nutrient for bone health. With healthy bones, you reduce your risk of osteoporosis, a bone density issue that could make you look shorter over time. Additionally, consuming plenty of tofu and other calcium-rich foods will support bone growth as you grow taller. 6. Yogurt. Yogurt is another typical food that has high concentrations of calcium. By adding more yogurt into your daily diet, you're able to stimulate bone growth. A Greek yogurt is an excellent option because it will also provide the proteins necessary to grow taller. 7. Salmon. According to a study published by the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism in 2009, vitamin D has a direct positive correlation with a person's final height. So it's beneficial to consume plenty of foods known to be rich in this vitamin. Salmon is your best option, as a single 6-ounce fillet will give you 142% of your daily vitamin D requirement. 8. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are another excellent source of vitamin D, so adding more of this to your diet will help you grow taller. Among your best options are chestnut mushrooms, which give you 139% of your daily vitamin D requirement for every cup. You can also opt for portobello mushrooms, which contain 122% of your vitamin D requirement per cup. 9. Spinach. Spinach is an excellent source of magnesium, another nutrient that's critical to human growth. Magnesium has many vital functions in the body. However, one that affects height the most is that it helps the body absorb vitamin D and calcium from food sources. Spinach also has the additional benefit of having high levels of magnesium and iron. 10. Hemp seeds. Hemp seeds are another excellent source of magnesium. Consuming a single handful of these seeds would give you 47% of your daily magnesium requirements. Other good options include pumpkin and squash seeds, which would give you approximately 37% of your daily magnesium needs per handful. Although you can't expect to become miraculously taller, you'll be able to achieve your maximum height by adding more of these foods to your regular diet. These are especially effective when you consume them while you're younger or just about to hit puberty. Nevertheless, these should still help even in adulthood. Following our study references we use to create this video to start you on your own path of research. I hope you liked the video. Please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.